Good day. Cycle counting is the best practice to maintain accuracy of inventory up to 99.99%. Cycle counting is a continuous count of all inventories throughout the year without operation shutdown. By doing so, we require proper stock arrangement by consolidating all similar items and similar category into one location with proper tagging and labeling and fixed location. We have to learn to update inventory record transaction and practice real-time entry, maintaining 5S of housekeeping inside the warehouse operations. Thank you very much and please subscribe. Shukran.